Welcome back to my channel. This is Trish and this is my tricky lifestyle. First of all, lots of thanks to all my viewers for the support you have given me so far. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe and share the video with your friends. Without further delay, come let's see how can we make Chettinad Katrika Thokku. Now I have cut the brinjals into small pieces and deep fried and kept aside. Now heat 1 tablespoon coconut oil and add 1 big onion to it and 2 slitted green chilies and saute well. It may not turn golden, just it gives a translucent color, like half cooked. You can add the curry leaves and saute. Now add 1 big tomatoes cut and saute well. When it is half cooked, add the fried brinjals to it. Now add 1 piece cinnamon stick and you have to add 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons salt with 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now mix everything together. After well mixed, add a small lime size tamarind. It is diluted with water and it is half a cup of tamarind juice, and the coconut, 3 tablespoon coconut is grinded well to give you half a cup of coconut milk. Add all together and stir well. Now it's fully cooked, like within 2 minutes of time you can see the oil arises all around and it is well cooked. Now you can transfer this into the bowl and it will be ready for serving. You can have this with rice or bread or roti or chapati. Now you can see it's ready to eat, the Chettinad Brinjal Thokku. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and turn on the notifications. Until then, lots of love from me to you. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.